Hi, everyone. Welcome again to Speak Easy English. Today, we're going to share many simple and useful ways to practice English every day, even if you only have a little free time.
Hello, friends. I'm Leo, and I am very happy to be here with Sophia. Learning English is not only about books and grammar. It can also be part of your daily life in fun and easy ways.
That's right, Leo. For example, in the morning, when I drink my coffee, I like to read a short article in English. It only takes 5 or 10 minutes, but I always find one or two new words to learn.
That's a great idea. In the morning, I usually walk to work and I listen to an English podcast with my headphones. Sometimes I stop and repeat a sentence out loud to practice my pronunciation.
Repeating is very powerful. I also like to read children's stories in English. The sentences are short and the stories are fun. I feel happy because I understand most of the text.
Yes, I also read simple books for children. My favorite one is about a little cat that goes to the city. The words are easy, but I learn verbs like run, climb, and jump.
I love that. Reading easy books gives us confidence. Many people think they must read difficult novels, but that is not true. Simple books are perfect for practice.
Exactly. And if you don't understand one word, it is okay. You can guess the meaning from the sentence or write it down to check later in a dictionary.
Do you use a notebook for new words, Leo?
Yes, I always keep a notebook with me. When I learn a new word, I write it down and I also make a short sentence. For example, apple. I eat an apple every day in the morning.
That's excellent. I also like to draw a little picture next to the word. It helps me remember better because I see both the word and the image.
Drawing is a very good idea. I never tried it before, but maybe I will start now.
You should. It is simple and fun. Now, what about listening? How do you practice listening every day?
I listen to English songs almost every day. First, I read the lyrics online. Then, I listen carefully and try to sing with the music. Singing makes me remember new words.
I do the same in my car. When I drive, I play my favorite English songs and sing very loudly. Nobody can hear me, so I can practice without fear.
That's perfect. Singing helps with rhythm and pronunciation. It is like free speaking practice.
Yes, and if you like movies, you can also practice listening with films. I usually watch with subtitles first, then with English subtitles, and later without subtitles.
I agree. I sometimes watch the same movie 2 times. First with subtitles, and the second time without subtitles. I can see how much I improved.
That's a smart strategy. Watching again makes the words clearer, and you feel progress.
Movies also show natural English. You hear how people really speak, not just the words in a textbook.
Very true. But it's important to choose movies that are not too difficult. Maybe a cartoon or a simple comedy.
Yes, I love cartoons. They are funny, short, and the English is clear.
I prefer comedies. People talk about daily life, so it's useful vocabulary.
Good choice. Now, let's talk about speaking. Many learners say speaking is difficult.
Yes, but it doesn't have to be. You can speak to yourself in English. For example, when you cook, say, "Now I cut the onion. Now I wash the plate. I put the food on the table."
That's a very good tip. I also speak to myself when I walk outside. I say things like, "The sun is bright today. I see a big tree. The street is quiet."
Wonderful. Another way is to find a friend to practice with. You don't need a native speaker. You just need someone who is learning like you.
Exactly. You can meet online and talk for 5 minutes. Ask simple questions. How are you? What did you eat today? Did you watch a movie?
These small conversations are very useful and they give you confidence.
And remember, don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are your teachers.
I completely agree. Every mistake helps you learn and improve.
That's right. If you never make mistakes, it means you never try.
Do you also practice writing, Leo?
Yes, I do. Every evening, I write 2 or 3 sentences in my diary. For example, about my day or my plans for tomorrow.
A diary is a great idea. It helps you remember words and use grammar in your own way.
It's very simple. I write, "Today was sunny. I worked a lot. I talked to my friend. We ate pizza."
Perfect! You don't need to write a long story. Short sentences are very good for practice.
What about you, Sophia? Do you like to write in English?
Sometimes I write short messages to my friends in English. We practice together on our phones.
Oh, that's fun. I also use my phone for English. I changed the language on my phone to English.
That's a very smart tip. Now you see English words every time you use your phone.
Yes, words like settings, messages, send. Now they are easy for me.
So we have many ideas: reading, listening, speaking, writing. But what about grammar?
Grammar is important, but it can be simple. I learn one grammar rule each week.
One rule a week? That's a good plan. Not too fast, not too slow.
For example, last week I practiced I like and I don't like. This week I practice I am going to.
Excellent. You can use that rule in your diary or when you speak to yourself.
Exactly. I tried to use the new rule many times in different sentences.
Practice makes perfect. The most important thing is to practice a little every day.
Yes, 5 or 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours only on Saturday.
I agree. Small steps every day make a big difference after some time.
So, friends, remember, you can learn English in many easy and fun ways.
Read a short article, listen to a song, write 2 sentences, speak to a friend, or talk to your cat. My cat listens to my English stories every day.
Haha, that's a good listener. Any listener is good for practice.
True. The goal is to make English a natural part of your life.
Don't try to do everything at once. Choose 1 or 2 ideas you like.
Start small. For example, tomorrow, listen to one English song and learn 3 new words.
That's a perfect start. And remember, we are here to help you.
Yes, you can write to us on our website. Tell us about your favorite way to practice.
We would love to hear from you. What is easy for you? What is difficult?
Learning English is a journey, and we are on this journey with you.
Thank you for listening today. We hope these tips are useful for you.
Keep practicing and don't forget to have fun.
See you next time on Speak Easy English.
Bye, everyone. Good luck with your English.